Hi, welcome to Ananya Artworks. Material I am using mechanical pencil, HB pencil, Stadler 4B and 2B pencil, blending stumps, white gel pen and eraser. Step 1. Outline the shape of an eye and highlight. Next, start off with an HB pencil to sketch the shape of the eye. This outline should not too dark because you want to prevent it from showing through in the end. We just need the basic shapes outlined at this point.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out.
The rectangle shape in the pupil is a glare from a window or similar shaped light source. You can use other shapes as circles or ovals as well. Step 2. Shade the pupil. Using a 6B pencil, fill in the pupil. Avoid pressing too hard or else it will be hard for you to erase if you need to make correction later on. Step 3. Shade the iris. You will now use to fill in the outer area of the pupil. This step doesn't have to be done perfectly. Slow smudging will make it turn out better, as well as give the eye more depth. Step 4. Draw spokes. With a 2B pencil, draw spokes going outward from the pupil. Overlap some of the spokes to create thicker lines. This will make the eye look more interesting. Leave some areas untouched as they will be filled later.
You've been told, don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, to start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again.
Step 5. Blend the iris. Use the blending stump to fill the white space in the iris. Carefully work around the highlight. Don't press too hard. Step 6. Add depth.
They say, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet.
Step 7. Shade the skin around the eye to make the highlight pop, as well as dab areas of the eye that need to be lightened.
You've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to find
Step 8. Draw eyebrows and eyelashes. Fill in the eyebrows as well as eyelashes. Eyelashes should be drawn using curved lines, not straight lines. To create eyelashes, thin HB pencil. For the eyelashes, go with something darker like mechanical pencil.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
Step 9. Touch-ups. Go over the drawing and darken areas such as pupils, shadows and clean the highlights to make your drawing pop. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to make a request of, drop it down in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching.